Hello everybody, I'm Artika Shukla. I got rank 4 in UPSC this year. A little introduction about me. I am 25 years old. I am a doctor by profession and you can follow me on this address on Unacademy. Coming to my strategy in general studies, we start with the books and the resources that I followed and what worked, what did not work, or मुझे जो भी लगता है, I will try to tell you that. Starting with the first topic, history ancient, history medieval, and history modern. Ancient and medieval, what I did was I followed NCERT. But ये मैंने अच्छे से नहीं प्रिपेयर किया था. It is something that I did not like. तो ये did not prepare it very thoroughly and question भी ज़्यादा नहीं आए इससे. Modern history, of course, you must prepare. I did Bipin Chandra, India's struggle for independence, plus Spectrum specifically for prelims. Very important, a lot of questions come from that. So do that. NCERT Modern India, again, relevant both for prelims and mains. Coming to culture, I followed 5 different materials for culture क्योंकि मेरे पास I did not have anyone guiding me that time. So I did Nitin Singhania, Unacademy videos, very nice NIOS material, Vision IS material as well as NCERT on art. But जो एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आया वो इनमें से किसी में से भी नहीं था. So I would just say that you should pick and choose the material for culture क्योंकि it is not a very high yielding thing. So any one thing or two sources you can follow. I would suggest Unacademy and Nitin Sanghania more than enough. Polity, theory and current, Lakshmi Kant for theory and for current, of course, daily newspaper reading supplemented by solving test papers of any 1 or 2 decent test series. I did Vision and Insights. They are more than enough for, making you सारा जो भी करंट अफेयर हो रहा होगा you will get to know it from here. Economy, I did Shriram's booklet, NCERT of economy for learning some basic topics, and economic survey, very important. Economic survey you must read. Then we come to science, theory and current, something I left, मुझे लगा I knew the basics. If you don't know the basics, go for NCERT's 8 से 10 तक की maybe. Environment, theory and current, I did Shankar IS, very important book. Along with solved a complete test paper on environment and that was enough. You just have to learn the few lists and stuff. So this book is more than enough for it. Coming to geography, physical, I did class 11th NCERT, that blue book, along with videos on Runal. Okay. So this is all that I did for physical geography. Questions bhi inhi mein se aate hain. So that is more than enough. Indian geography, 11th and 12th, I think there is this socio and economic geography. There is physical geography of India. तो वो जितनी भी 2-3 किताबें that you can do for Indian geography. World geography, I did not prepare this thing really well. So what I did was, end में जाके I just saw some videos on this site of Mrunal and I prepared some maps based on current affairs, Middle East, थोड़ा Europe. That was all that I did. If you want, you can go for any coaching material or something else that you find relevant. मेरे हिसाब से इतना was more than enough. Other national, international current affairs, I solved test papers, as I said before. I read the Hindu daily. And if there was something that I did not understand, I skirted through GK Today or PRS or any other relevant, I used to Google anything that I did not understand in the newspaper. And that is more than enough for prelims preparation. Schemes, policies, same as above. Coming to prelims CSAT, I did not prepare it specifically. मैंने last 4 साल के papers किए UPSC के. That was more than enough. Now that CSAT is qualifying, this is all that you should do too, in my opinion. अगर आपको कोई specific problem है, you can of course, read up more on that. But otherwise, this is enough for getting that qualifying marks. My accuracy was I got 60 correct from 80 in GS and 77 in aptitude. Coming to mains, essay preparation, current affairs around the year I followed. I did not prepare essay specifically. I just read a few quotes एक दिन पहले exam के and that is more than enough, If you think you are weak in writing, then you should practice essays, of course. Coming to general studies mains, paper 1, culture, again, I followed 5 different things. Finally, in the exam, question came from none of them. So please pick and choose. अगर आपके पास time है, you can follow any 2 things, any 1 thing even. Otherwise, this is not a very high yielding topic. Indian history, again, Bipin Chandra. World history, I did vision material and NCERTs. You can do either one of them. Even one of them is sufficient. Post-independence India, I had done both these books, but they are not required. They are more like novels. So what I would suggest is कि आप किसी भी coaching note से ये छोटा सा topic कर लें. UPSC has not been asking questions about it, so don't waste time on it. Indian society, role of women, globalization, communalism, regionalism, and secularism. These are very, very dynamic topics. So I would say कि कोई special targeted material या book पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Follow Hindu, follow the newspaper that you're reading. Vision current material is very good for following these topics. You can go for PRS, you can go for GK Today, Unacademy, anything that you follow online, dynamic content along with inside secure articles are also very relevant in these things. Along with it, Yojana can cover this topic very well. तो इतना अगर आपने कर लिया, that is more than enough for this in my opinion. Resource distribution, I did Vision and Vajiram का material because I could not find this in any standard textbook. But अब मुझे लगता है कि that is not required. और काफ़ी बेसिक क्वेश्चंस आते हैं विच कैन बी कवर्ड बाय 10th and 11th NCERTs. Earthquake tsunami, I did ARC for disaster, covered it there along with vision material is pretty good for this thing. Otherwise ARC is more than enough. This topic I left. Paper 2, Indian Constitution, comparing Constitution, Parliament, Executive, Ministries, everything. What you should do is Lakshmikant you can refer for basics, right? And the rest of it is all dynamic. So I would say read the newspaper daily, make your own notes. You can complement it with some current affair. I did it with Vision Current Affairs, which was very good. Along with Inside Secure daily articles. They post a lot of articles. You can go there and read them. Vision static material is also available for all these topics if you want some basic knowledge about them. अगर आपके पास already ये knowledge है, then you can skip this. Along with a very dynamic study approach is required. You can go to PRS, आप नए नए bills और acts के बारे में you can read on annual reports, documents on various ministry websites. Same holds for all of this. Same a dynamic study, newspaper, secure, some current affair material, static material if you want, along with annual reports and PRS site. Same goes for this too. In foreign policy and foreign affairs, I would just add one thing that you can skip it altogether or you can just keep reading the newspaper for it. And in November or October, you can go and get a compilation. And that is more than enough. Questions come mostly from that only. A compilation from any, decent coaching institute ka material, you can go and buy it. Paper 3. Paper 3, the first 4 topics, Indian economy, mobilization, resource, this is vast. This includes everything that is happening in the country. Economic survey, the best booklet, the best material to prepare it, along with key features of budget. Daily newspaper reading, of course, जो daily economy में हो रहा है, along with if you want inside secure articles. For the agriculture related topics, which is e-technology and everything, PDS, buffer technology mission, Vision static material is very good if coupled with daily newspaper reading. Along with, you can refer to Yojana for relevant articles, some specific ministry, food processing ministry, if it is coming up with something new, you can go there. Along with any related chapter that you find in economic survey, please go there. Land reforms, you can follow Bipin Chandra, 3 chapters of it. Infrastructure, again, economic survey related. Disaster management, ARC is more than enough. Again, most of it is dynamic. Science, tech, Indian achievements, I did not read specifically. It gets covered in preparing current affairs. Internal security, you can go for it's the article along with any daily news, along with any coaching material for reference. I followed GS Core for reference. That was very good. Money laundering, cyber security, border management, organized crime, very dynamic topics. You can read any one static material, vision material, insights material. कहीं भी आप search करके एक static material पढ़ लें. Along with that, current events like SIT recommendations, newspaper reading, steps taken, some facts, anything like that. So a lot of dynamic study required along with GS course material. I referred that for internal security, थोड़ा basics के लिए. Otherwise, it's all newspaper. Ethics, very frankly, I did not spend more than a week on ethics. What I did was I bought 2-3 test papers of Vision along with model answers, read them, tried to understand them, and framed answers. That was all that I did. But if you cannot understand the terms mentioned in the syllabus, you can read the book on ethics by Lexicon or Subbarao, and you just need to have a balanced viewpoint, illustrate your answers with examples, and finish the paper on time. Go and bear your heart out on the sheets. You'll get very good marks. Thank you. This is my mark sheet.